Hello everyone, I am Pragati Jha Prasar. I am from Hooghly Mohsin College and I am legal intern of Lexis and Company. In this video, I am going to describe the originary bill and joint setting of the house. So, what is originary bill? Any bill which is proposed in the Parliament is known as originary bill, except certificate of money bill by the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. It can be proposed in either house of the parliament, whether it is Raj Sabha or Lok Sabha. It can be introduced by the minister as well as the private member. And introduce the bill which is introduced by the private member is known as private member bill. For introducing such bill, the president recommendation is not required and necessary. So, unlike the money bill, this bill can be rejected or amended even in the Raj Sabha, and in the upper house can detain the bill for the period of 6 months, not more than that. Uh, Also, such bill were defeated in the Lok Sabha. It may be lead to the resignation of whole the government introduced by the member. Once the sent for the approval of president, the bill may be accepted, rejected, or returned to for the reconsideration to the house. So original bill means original. Any bill which is proposed in the Lok Sabha is termed as a original bill. So it can be proposed by the Raj Sabha as well as the Lok Sabha. This bill is normal bill. It may be accepted or rejected. When president assent is necessary, then it may be rejected or selected or returned for the consideration to the house. This is original bill. And what is joint sitting of the house? So, in case of deadlock between the both the House of Parliament regarding the passing of the bill, the President of India may summon the joint sitting of the both the House. So, the joint sitting of the both the House is presided over by the Speaker of Lok Sabha, and in the absence of the Speaker, Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha discharge their duty. So, Article 108 of Indian Constitution provide the provision of mechanism which breaks the deadlock between both the house. According to the article, a joint session can be called upon only if a bill after being passed out in one house and the other house reject it. Number two, one of the houses does not accept the amendment passed by the other house. Number three, when 6 months elapse and other house does not pass the bill. In three conditions, joint sitting session has turned. There are some exceptional available in the joint sitting. That is money bill. According to the constitution, money bill only required approval from the Lok Sabha, and thus in the case of money bill situation arises for the joint sitting of the house. Constitutional amendment bill. In the constitutional amendment bill can be passed through the two-third majority of the both the house of parliament, and does not have provision for joint sitting in the case of disagreement between the houses. So this is about the joint sitting session. In three cases joint sitting session has done, that is when one house has accept the bill but other houses reject the bill, when decision has not been taken within 6 months, and when the house does not accept the amendment passed by the other house. In three cases joint sitting has been done. So but it has exceptional like money bill and constitutional bill. So in this video we have discussed in 2 points, that is original bill. Original bills means normal bills. The any Lok Sabha or Raj Sabha who proposed the bill is called original bills. And what is the and this is joint session when 3 points, when one bill one of the house accepted, other house rejected, when amendment has not been passed by other house, and when there is 6 months is already elapsed, then joint session has been done. Thank you.